Hello, good day, and welcome to Weather Broadcast for today, Tuesday, August 12th. I am your presenter, Annie Carraette Joseph. Now, let's begin by taking a look at Tropical Storm Erin, located in the central tropical Atlantic. Erin is currently moving towards the west near 22 miles per hour. At 5 a.m., the maximum sustained winds of Erin was near 45 miles per hour. Some further strengthening is forecast as Erin crosses the Atlantic to even become a major hurricane. Erin is expected to track north of the Lesser Antilles by Saturday. Let's take a look at the satellite imagery. We can see a circulation of Erin, and we can also see the eye of Erin. Erin clouds are a bit scattered at the moment. However, some tightening is expected as Erin strengthens into a hurricane and tracks towards the area. Interest in the Lesser Antilles, especially the Leeward Islands, you are advised to monitor the progress of Erin. Across Dominica and the Lesser Antilles today, the Atlantic high pressure system is the dominant feature. We have some low-level clouds drifting across the area, and this resulted in partly cloudy to cloudy skies on the east of the island, while the western areas experience mainly fair skies. Radar image indicated no shower activity across Dominica during the morning. Currently, moderate to unhealthy levels of Saharan dust is across the Lesser Antilles, and this is expected to linger into tomorrow, Wednesday. People with respiratory sensitivities, you are advised to take the necessary precaution to protect your health. Mariners, if you're venturing out to sea, expect a reduced visibility. As such, carry along navigational devices with you. An improvement in conditions is expected as we move into Wednesday afternoon. Conditions for tonight: fair to partly cloudy skies with a few showers can be expected. Hazy conditions expected to continue with some breezy conditions. However, please note this haze is expected to keep the night warm, with temperatures going down to about 25 degrees Celsius on the western and eastern coast. The interiors up to about 23 degrees Celsius tonight. Winds generally coming from the northeast, peaking to near 35 kilometers per hour. Tomorrow, again, partly cloudy skies with some showers. Temperatures to peak to near 34 degrees Celsius on the west coast, about 31 on the east and 27 in the interior. Winds generally coming from the northeast, peaking to near 35 kilometers per hour. A reduction in haze can be expected by tomorrow afternoon. Sea conditions slight to moderate in open water, with waves picking up to 7 feet on the east coast. The high tides tomorrow will be at 7:14 a.m. and the second at 7:22 p.m., while our low tides will be at 12:58 a.m. and 1:09 p.m. Let's take a look at conditions for the next 3 days. Tomorrow, Wednesday, partly cloudy skies with a few showers. As we move into Thursday and overnight, you expect to see an increase in shower activity with clouds. And on Friday, partly cloudy to cloudy skies with some scattered showers. Temperatures to peak near 34 degrees Celsius tomorrow, Wednesday, about 33 on Thursday, and increasing to about 35 degrees Celsius on Friday. Temperatures in the nights to cool to about 24 degrees Celsius. Winds on Wednesday coming from the northeast near 35 kilometers per hour. On Thursday, a switch from the southeast, peaking to near 20 kilometers per hour, a reduction in wind speeds, and a further reduction to light and variable winds on Friday. Now, with light and variable winds, high daytime temperatures, you expect to see some blow-ups in clouds during the afternoon with some moderate to heavy showers and some possible isolated thunderstorms. Marine conditions, seas peaking to near 7 feet on the east coast for the next 3 days. On Friday, as Erin moves closer to the region, mariners, you are advised to monitor for any progress of Erin. The sun will rise tomorrow at 5:50 a.m. and set at 6:30 p.m. For up-to-date information, you can follow our WhatsApp channel by scanning this QR code, and also you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Dominica Met, our website at weather.gov.dm. Thank you for viewing, and join us tomorrow for your next weather broadcast. Good day.